In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invite to collaborate on your site using roles and permissions in your site's dashboard. This is an essential step if you want to work with others on your site, whether they are team members, designers, or anyone else you need to grant access to. Let's make the process smooth and easy to understand. First, you'll want to navigate to the Roles and Permissions section found within your site's dashboard. This is your starting point for inviting collaborators and managing their roles. Once inside, you'll notice a range of options dedicated to user management. Focus on the Invite Collaborators feature, which is your gateway to adding new team members. Once you click on Invite Collaborators, you'll be presented with a field inviting you to input the email addresses of the people you wish to invite. It's important to separate each email address with a comma so that the system correctly recognizes each individual email. Don't rush this step. Carefully double-check the email addresses to avoid any unnecessary delivery issues. Next, you'll need to select roles. Each role determines what level of access your collaborator will have on the site. You'll see checkboxes next to each role available. You can assign as many or as few roles as you find necessary for each of your collaborators. Take a moment to consider what responsibilities each collaborator will have and assign roles accordingly. After you've entered all the necessary information and are satisfied with the roles you've assigned, go ahead and click Send Invites. This action will dispatch emails to your potential collaborators, inviting them to join your site project team. It's worth noting a few key details that can impact how many collaborators you're able to invite. By default, a Wix site permits only one free collaborator seat. However, if your site is linked to a Wix Studio account, you're in luck. These accounts offer up to 5 free collaborator seats, even if you're on a free plan. Keep in mind, however, that if you transfer the site to a non-studio account, the free seat limit drops back down to 1 unless you upgrade your site. Additionally, if you have more collaborators than your current plan permits, those existing collaborators will remain active. Yet, it's important to remember you won't be able to invite additional collaborators until you decide to upgrade your site to accommodate more. Finally, pay attention to the progress bar at the top of your Roles and Permissions dashboard. This handy tool helps you keep track of how many collaborator seats you have filled, ensuring you always remain within your plan allowance. Always keep an eye on this metric, as it will help you manage your team of collaborators effectively. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to successfully invite and manage collaborators on your site. Thanks for watching, and we hope these instructions help you streamline your site collaboration process.